This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness, I'm back again. So I've been on the previous tutorial. I've been showing you how to attach the body parts, as you can see, and I particularly, this is my second attempt, because the first one was too wide. It was like at least bigger, like it was big enough, so I ripped it, I done it, and I started this one because I wanted the back to be smaller, because I did not want the collar area to be big. But because this is not knit, you cannot work that way. So unfortunately, the front and the back has to be the same size, because when you're attaching, it has to meet, like this has to meet, so you will have enough room for the collar area. On the yesterday I avoided this too, but it did not work. I had a hard time fitting my head, and I didn't want it that big, so that was another thing. So what I did is, I didn't want to frog it again and restart it. What I did is, I started with the 2 flowers row and I crocheted all the way, and I'm just gonna crochet the edge, and you won't even notice the difference. Just the color, you can see the color very variegated, because the cotton, Karen cotton is a variegated yarn. That's the only thing you can see, but it's under my arm, so you won't notice it. No one would notice it, and it would be something different. So I just wanted to show you, you can work this out. Just don't frog it, but if it's big, unfortunately you need to frog it. But if it's small, you can fix it. Yeah, I could have done this way too. I could have done 1 row of the flower and put this in the middle and put the other row here. I could have done that too. I could have even thought about making, if it was a solid color, I could have done with a different pattern, different stitch, and worked that out. It would it would have gave me a different look. So that would be another way that you can design your tops if you're crocheting. So I just had to show this to you. So this is what I've been up to. I have crochet, so I'm just gonna do single crochet, attach it as I was showing on the previous tutorial. I will do the shoulders. First I will do the side, and I will do the shoulders, and again I will attach the sleeves as I showed. Let's say if I attach this, so it's going to be like this, right? So what I would do is, at the end, after I'm all done, I would attach, single crochet this bottom and finish the sleeves. So as soon as I finish this, I'm going to wear it, take a picture, and share it with you guys on Instagram. So this Friday, I just had a phone call that I'm going to have a small operation at 7:45 a.m. on Friday, September the 4th, I believe it is. So please pray for me. She said it will take a couple of hours for me to get out of the hospital. So it's a day operation, and I will be really sent home. So I am asking, please pray for me. I need to pray. And so I just wanted to share how you can attach this without starting all over again, and you won't even notice the difference. Okay, so I hope you like this short information that I wanted to share with you, and I will finish this up, and I will take pictures, and I will share it with you. Okay, well, I'm gonna let you go. Have a great week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Happy crocheting. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care.